In this video, we're going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be done from the top and bottom of the motor. Let's get started. Twist the oil cap and remove it. I'm going to put this where the hood closes, so we can't close the hood without reinstalling it. To let air into the motor, I'm also going to pull the dipstick. This will help us drain faster. Here we are under the car, looking up at our splash shield. We're going to use a T45 bit, and we're going to remove the 3 rear screws. You should have 2 more right here and here. Ours only has 1. Using a T25 bit, remove the 4 screws on the sides of the splash shield. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the engine splash shield. Using a 19mm wrench, we're going to break the drain bolt free. Make sure you have a bucket under you to catch the fluid. Remove the drain plug. It's common practice to replace your crush washer on your drain plug. However, on this one, it is irreplaceable. If yours is, go ahead and change it out now. Once you're down to a slow drip, go ahead and reinstall your drain plug. Snug it down with a wrench. Clean up your mess with a clean rag and some brake parts cleaner. Torque the drain bolt to 22 foot-pounds. Unscrew the plastic cap at the end of the housing. Using a flat blade screwdriver, you can press on this right in the middle to drain the oil filter housing. Using an oil filter housing cup, we're going to remove our oil filter. Remove the oil filter, be ready for some oil to come out. Remove the O-ring that is in the oil filter cup using a pick. Install the new O-ring. Be sure you install it the same way it came out. Get it fully seated in the cup. I'm going to push down with my pick, go around. Install the filter. Push all the way in. Install the cup. Get it started by hand. Snug it down. Torque it to 25 Newton meters. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the cap. Get it nice and snug. Using some brake parts cleaner, clean the area. Install the splash shield into place. Be sure that all of your large tabs go in and all of your small tabs stay out. Install the bolts. Get the 3 bolts in the rear started. There should be 2 more on these outsides. We only have 1. Go down the side, installing all of the screws. You should have 4 on each side. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Using a T45 bit, snug up the rear 3 bolts. We're going to use 6.3 quarts of 530 oil and fill the motor. Install the oil cap, twist until it clicks into place. Remove the dipstick. And we're going to check where our fluid level is. On this first pull, we're going to give it just a wipe. Then we're going to fully install the dipstick again. Pull it back out and take a look at your level. Here we have our max mark, and this is our minimum mark. You want to be right at this max mark, which we are. Once you've checked your oil and you have your dipstick installed, go ahead and hop into the vehicle, start it, let it run for about a minute, turn it off, Now we're gonna wait about 5 minutes until the oil drains back. Double check your level. Be sure it's perfectly at that max mark. If it's not, top it off through the oil fill until you're at that max mark and you're good to go. Install the key into the ignition. Before turning it, press and hold this O/set button. We're gonna press and hold this, and as we do that, we're gonna turn our key to the on position without our foot on the brake. This is gonna pull up a menu for service. Do you really want to reset your oil life? Hit OK on the steering wheel, and you're reset. Turn the key off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.